Welcome to InfiniCurious. Today, we're going to explore 5 unique and extraordinary things that you can only find in India. Get ready to uncover some of the strangest and most unusual customs of this incredible country. In India, it's common to clean oneself with water and the left hand after using the toilet instead of using toilet paper. This method is considered more hygienic, but it can be off-putting to Westerners. However, direct contact with hands can lead to the spread of germs because hands can be contaminated with fecal matter. In many homes and public restrooms, you'll find a small water pot or a bidet, which is used for this practice. While it may seem strange to foreigners, for many Indians, it's a deeply ingrained habit that dates back centuries. Bathing in sacred rivers, like the Ganges, is a common practice in India. Believers think these waters have purifying and spiritual powers, even though they can be heavily polluted. The Ganges River is often cited as one of the most polluted rivers in the world, containing industrial waste, sewage, and even dead bodies. People immerse themselves in its waters, believing that it cleanses their souls and washes away their sins. Even during religious festivals, millions of people gather on the banks of the Ganges to participate in these purification ceremonies. In India, cows are considered sacred and are respected, especially by Hindus. It's normal to see cows roaming freely in the streets, and many temples have areas dedicated to these animals. Cow urine is used in some foods and drinks for its supposed medicinal properties. For example, Gaumutra, cow urine, is used in various Ayurvedic and religious practices. Some believe it can cure diseases and purify the body. Cow dung is also commonly used as fuel and fertilizer, showing how deeply cows are integrated into everyday Indian life. In India, eating with one's hands is a common practice and is considered a way to connect better with the food. While in the West, it's preferable to use utensils, many Indians believe that food tastes better when eaten with the hands. This custom dates back to ancient times and is based on the belief that hands are sensory tools that can enhance the dining experience. Each finger has a specific function, and it's believed that direct contact with food can stimulate the senses and aid digestion. Arranged marriages are still common in many parts of India. Families play a significant role in finding compatible partners for their children based on criteria such as caste, education, and family background. In some cases, marriages between people of different castes or with lower-ranking surnames are strongly disapproved of and forbidden. Marriage meetings are often arranged through public announcements or professional matchmakers. This practice, while it may seem old-fashioned to Westerners, is seen as a way to maintain tradition and ensure family harmony. What about you? Do you know any other unique cultural practices from India? Let us know in the comments below and follow us for more videos.